Yeah, yum.
Hey, buddy.
Sit down the old place, you know, Kai.
Hey, Carrie. Hey, Carrie. Hey.
Bless
Yes,
you.
bless you.
Bless you.
Mama here with baby boy. How are you doing?
How are you, Kai?
You ready to lock down with mommy and daddy?
Kai's looking at the phone like, what's that? What's happening? Why are you there?
You know that the light in my steer pan?
Oh, he's looking at the lights.
Yeah, the light in my steer now. Hey, Carrie. Good. Yes. Yeah, guys. So we're there, you know. I prepare for lockdown.
Yeah. Are we are done preparing? We're not doing no more.
Yeah, we don't really have much more to do. Yeah, guys, so.
Anyway, my guy broke. So Jaden, you have to go back your belly.
Oh my God. Hey guys, so government give me 7 days lockdown.
Yeah.
You get me? But them kind of stagger it. You know, so 3 days, Sunday to Tuesday.
Yeah.
Lockdown straight. You know, and then next weekend again, I see same thing.
Yeah.
Right, Kai? So how you feel about that? Well, guys.
Well, I mean, we knew that there were going to be consequences for having all those events that happened. So I guess this is it. You have to just go and push through it.
Yeah. Boy, when your people are talking, say, boy, them shouldn't keep no party and all of that. I mean, I think that's the problem, you know. I think more the organizers for them event, they should have ensure, say, the people have a social distance, you know. Yeah, so, I mean, despite now the upsurge in this COVID thing, yeah, you know, several persons may think have to take the blame still, you know. But, I mean, we also, other people, have to take responsibility as well. So, I mean, we know the entertainment sector for go on. People have their livelihood will depend upon this thing, the entertainment sector. Hey, Kai. Hey, Kai. Yes.
Like you should see him looking up at you like, you know, taking in every word that you're saying.
You want to come? Yeah, guys, so, boy, as I say, boy, I know say enough people depend upon the entertainment sector, but them should have take more care in terms of how them, the amount of person them accepting at the venue. Because, yo, when I look at some of them parties they were keeping, and I said, yo, like, people cram in the venue, them, like, them not care, like, them I say, yo, the gate fly, so we just do what we want.
I think a lot of persons, too, is just saying, like, COVID not keep is a thing now in Jamaica. Like, it's not happening. It's not here.
Yeah. Anyway, big race today, you know. Cassie go up on the road. She have a little doctor appointment. So she just come back. She never actually catch the race.
No.
She never catch the race.
It, though. I just saw it.
We can't be Shaka really run come last too long.
It's like she started out with everybody and then she was just the first to pull up. So she was the first to slow down.
Some of us are boom and fly out of the track and I see the girl them start fly past me. So I stood down like come here wonder what one. Cause this not real, this can't real.
I don't know, probably something.
The pressure catch her, man.
That too.
And the pressure catch her and true she a yap a lot on social media, you know, and then she see Elaine really come out of the blocks and Shelly them come out of the blocks upon her. She has a blow.
Like, she never expect the competition. That could be the case. Because she doesn't see what that Olympic record and world record broke. So I don't see what she would have said. She would have most expect the competition. So she run up and won't no she they have a challenge to pull up before she could have really, you know?
Yo, if I cheat still, you know, I pull up and hold my hamstring still, you know, I realize say 40-50 meters going on the race, you know. And them a stretch left me so, you know, I say blow. Just
really?
And that me that do. No man, that me that do, man. Bomba, yo, she have too much mouth to come like 9th place.
I think that, well, to be honest,
4 Jamaican beat her, you know.
All the I don't know all our talking them actually gotta do whatever, but if you know say I go run against Elaine Thompson and she just don't break records at the Olympic, like I don't know, when I did focus on my game, I make sure I beat her, or at least I beat Shelly, because them are the two person to beat in the race. And of course, Michael Jackson. Yeah.
But Brianna Williams, 19-year-old Brianna Terrati beat her too. What?
The whole field beat her, babe.
The whole field. That rough start. Yeah. So boy.
So, how did you guys prepare for the lockdown? Like, did you do any form of preparation? Did this lockdown, to me, it come down to the lockdown and kind of catch me by surprise. Like, I see everything happening, but it kind of catch me by a little surprise, and I don't know.
But you know, say, I kind of hear a little talk about it still.
You were.
I hear a little rumor still. I don't know how true, but I just have to go and wait to see the actual announcement still. You know?
Yeah, because you did call me and say, hey, probably we need to get stuff before, whatever. But then by that time I was home.
Yeah. I put him on the mat. Hey guys. I have him like a player mat right there, so. You know? So, you set him down?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. How you walk, go boy?
You see, I have something to show. Like, let me let him do it for you. And we have something to show. Let me tell you what say. You want them to show.
Kyrie, where you walking to? Oh, jeez.
You have some to show. Let me tell you. One more time for them, babe. It has his attention now.
Yes. Here we go. Kyrie, me can't get your attention now. Touch it. Knock it.
Can I put on his legs too?
Chunky boy.
Guys,
Chunky boy.
for a sec, please, guys. Please, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, put the legs on. Yeah.
So guys, he's sitting up, as you can see. He has a good balance, however, sometimes he'll topple over to the side. You know?
Yeah.
Sometimes he'll topple over. So we love to have little activities for him, and he's just doing so much, you know.
Turn it around this side. Turn this around. Easy one. Yeah, turn it. Yeah. Let him beat on this. Yeah. Yeah.
So actually just find creative ways, guys, to entertain ourselves and to keep these kids entertained for this lockdown, cover the home all day. Right?
You know, take much to entertain Kyrie still, you know.
I like to take a lot to entertain Kyrie. Kyrie take energy. Kyrie energy can't done, you know, but my energy done long time.
By the way, guys, this is actually from our registry. Well, a Kyrie registry still, baby registry. It's one of the items them from it. You know, so really, thank you guys, everybody who participated in Kyrie's registry. You know, we thank y'all, you know, and Kyrie also is very, very appreciative. You know, so say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Kyrie getting a pampers change. Hey. Yes, you I'm talking to. Kyrie.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Ready? Let's go.
Carrie, mommy want a little bacon. You want join her?
Can I come too?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
You want to come too?
Excited.
Yeah, Jay has been wanting to bake. He want to bake a pizza, he want to bake cinnamon roll, he want to bake he want to do a lot of stuff. So hopefully we can get one of them done today.
Watch Kyrie.
He likes this toy, he does.
Oh, geez, watch him.
Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
And you just said that he won't be able to use that because he's too young.
The part like me, I said, maybe now I can turn it.
Yeah, but in fact, you want a way to do it. In fact, you own a way to do it, man. This is the jump part of it, so you can beat it.
Kyrie.
It's amazing how my progress, you know?
Hi. Kyrie.
It really my grow fast right in front of the eyes.
He's growing up so fast, you know?
When you turn that, you turn on Jaden.
Yeah.
The music
The
changes.
pages. When you turn the page.
Yeah, so different activities bring on different music. Yeah.
It's nice, man. That's nice. This is a really nice time we got.
So I want to get some more toys for him. Guys, go watch the Cassie's live club pretty soon. I'm gonna be doing a shopping haul for Kai. Cause Kai grew out of all them clothes and like this is a 9-month onesie. Yeah. So he's wearing 6 months clothes, 9 months clothes, and 12 months clothes now. No joke. He's wearing all his bigger sizes now. So I'm going to have to get some stuff for him because initially, when I was selecting items, I only selected for up to a year. Yeah. So. But he's wearing 1 year clothes right now. He's wearing his 1 year clothes right now. Yeah. Exactly. So I'm going to go shopping. So go watch the Cassida's live because it will be over on that channel. And I'm going to be selecting some more toys for him. I need to get some books, some storybooks, some Bible storybooks. If you guys know any good ones, you can always let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be selecting some cards. Let me know what you think, guys. I want to start teaching him, like him ABC and 1, 2, 3. You know, my sister them are start, you know me, oh my God, him can't learn so early. But I want to start him off early. Nothing wrong with that. Right? Nothing wrong with that at all. I want to get some cue cards, some alphabet cue cards and numbers and shapes and yeah, I'm gonna start him off early on this learning track, alright? Oh, by the way, guys, I just remember, so we actually did the unboxing video for the baby registry, and we did throw all the tanks and everything right there. So guys, if you didn't miss that video, you guys, we're gonna link it. We're gonna link the video in the description, guys, so you can look out for the unboxing live stream that we did for all the registry items. And again, guys, we said thanks for all of those, you know. We can't thank you guys enough for that. Yeah, man, and Kyrie really appreciate the gifts as well. Say thank you. Say thank you. So guys, can swear say Kyrie gonna sleep, you know. She swears that Kyrie gonna sleep, you know. And she have put him down saying no spring up back. That is Kai, man. Hey. See, I want the way I do still while I'm awake, ain't it? Yeah, so Big Bro is going to take care of a little brother, right? While we do our baking. Yeah, guys, so guess I'm gonna do some baking, guys. Yeah. Where you bake? Where you bake? We're gonna make cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon roll? Yeah. And I think I cookie. It's a cinnamon roll. No cookies. But we can make cookies though. But we're gonna need to get butter. Is that where with the cinnamon roll still? Okay. The cinnamon roll it is. So what you going with? Jay, you good? You see Kyrie off his size. No joke. Kyrie. Yes. The guys,
Jaden is such a responsible big brother, you know? He take care of Kai, you know? Kai. Kyrie. Hey! You playing game with brother? Or are you doing your own thing? Huh? Alright guys, so we're there with Master Chef.
Master Chef.
Yeah. So yeah, measure all sugar for put in the mix.
Yeah.
So that go on. Guys, we don't know nothing about baking. In fact, we never bake. No, only thing we never bake a chicken. The only thing we never bake. We don't know nothing about baking. Some people say baking is just like cooking, but
No, it's not.
I strongly disagree.
Yeah, it's different.
Always
It's very different. Cooking is easier than baking. Baking is hard.
baking come like chemistry. And the least little mistake can make it spoil. You have to put in everything precise.
Now it's not really spoil either, but it just changes the consistency of whatever you're doing. So I like to experiment.
And if it spoil, then if the consistency not right, it's a spoil, man.
Well, I guess I consider spoil to be different. I consider spoil to be, you know, unedible. Can't eat. But sometimes you get a different, you get something different than what you were going for, but it's still good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, so I do for your haircut. Could have got the barber today still, but I kind of skip it. I say I got there home for a few days, so I just go without that.
So, so only when you go on the road they can fix up and look nice and hot and...
No, they rush a barber shop to them, I never depend that, so I just skip it.
Changing reason, right? And the reason why nobody go about because I stay home.
Yeah, man,
So you need to fix up the cast. No argument.
Yeah.
Fix up the cast.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah,
of course.
Yeah.
But we don't want to subject myself to COVID out there in barbershops.
Okay. Okay. You hear that? Quick with the excuse, you know.
Yeah.
Quick with the excuse.
Watch Kyrie. Kyrie. There be a man over here. Yes. What happened?
Guys, Jaden work for the privilege fee of Kyrie, you know.
Yeah, man.
And believe of Kyrie, you know. Work on it, you know, work on how you can lift him up and prove it to everybody say, yeah, we can do it. You know?
Yeah, alright. Yeah, I would eat now. Go on. Yeah.
Okay.
Go on, I'm gonna sit down.
Okay.
Go on, I'm gonna sit down. Lord Jesus, Jay is so proud, like, you know?
That is true.
I'm proud, man. Watch him.
That is so true.
Yeah, man, Jaden proud and big brother status.
He is. I'm just gonna warm this. I'm proud for you, man. I'm so happy that Jaden feels comfortable. You know? And proud and big brother.
So we had to melt the butter up in night?
Yeah, the butter, I'm gonna melt it too.
Oh, so what you do? How you put up this a while ago?
That's the milk. I'm gonna give it a little warm. Just gonna warm it a bit.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna melt the butter.
Okay.
So Jaden work hard. Right? Every minute
Feel
Jaden
privileged.
yeah, he work hard in trying to hold him and make sure them can hold him properly, and trust me, Kai has tolerated Jaden so much. You guys know that sometimes
Jaden around for smother him.
Little hands. Sometimes babies, you know, want them feel a little hand, them start scream. They're like, no, hell no. Kai is like, Jaden is here. I'm a brother. What can I do? You must have to go on with it. Yeah, he tolerated me well, I tell you.
Watch you. Hey Jay, better put him down.
Fix him there, fix him back. But you see, Kai don't want to sit down back, you know.
This one will comfy. He want to lift him up back.
Kai don't want to sit
Oh,
down.
Jesus. Watch out. And Jay, how about it, you know? Jeez. Alright, sit down, Jaden. Sit down, please. Just sit down, just sit down. You just sit down.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, man, nobody can hear them, you know. Jaden and Carrie over there have a grand time.
They have, I think that they have a good little chemistry going at this point, which I'm so happy for, because sometimes you can have a bit of sibling rivalry. Me tell Jaden keep on a tease Kyrie in food. Because Kyrie, you know, when you have food in your hand, you know, you're at the glass and I'm like this, Kyrie, you look and say, oh, that'll go your mouth. Kyrie said, that'll go your mouth. I want two. So Kyrie, I reach for the glass, or whatever you're eating, I'm pulling it to your mouth. Everything you're eating, you carry come up in a Kyrie face. You want some? You want some? You say, all right, go on with it. Go on. Go on, tease him. When Kyrie start eating, I start eating your food.
Hear him.
Yeah, go on offer him.
Boy.
Ooh.
What want to say? Too hot? You need something to take it out now? Oh.
Messed up with my phone, buddy.
Yeah, so I said, boy, this baking thing, I don't know nothing about it. And to be honest, I'm not really interested. Baking don't really entice me, but you know enough people love the thought of it, you know?
I love cooking in general. I love make agent tell you. That's all I watch. That is all I watch. I'm just pulling it down a bit.
So the water this.
Yeah. Food.
I'm going to feed him. He's a bit fussy. You getting fussy?
Kai? Him know him name enough people. So when they call him name.
Look one time.
Yes. And he's very attentive. When you're talking, he knows direction. He's looking at you.
And by the way, guys, when you reach this far in the video, I don't click the like button yet. Click the like button, man.
True.
Yeah, man. Give me a fat thumbs up, guys.
Yeah.
Give me a fat thumbs up.
And subscribe if you haven't already.
Yeah, guys.
And let us know in the comment section any video ideas that you may have for us. Alright. So let us know what's up. Let us know what you'd like to see from us. Because you know we are here. And you know we love to produce content that you want to see.
Of course. Yep. Guys, look, watch him. Watch him, guys. Watch him. Watch him. Oh boy. Yeah, grasshopper, you jump so. Hey.
These two, the milk and the other something have two different densities.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's why they don't mix together.
You're right. They are. One is oil. One are oil based and one are water based, so they won't mix.
Yeah.
So the oil is from the butter is basically oil, and then the milk is like water based. Well, the milk have fat in it too, but a lot of water in it as well. So the water will be at the bottom and the oil will be at the top, eh?
Yep.
Alright, so to combine flour with
water there. I just put flour in it. And I let the yeast get activated, put in the flour. And now I'm going to leave it for an hour to rise and do its thing. Then I'll come back and...
So I can't do it baking because you have something to put it down for 1 hour for a come back.
Yeah.
What's it you have here?
This is going to be the filling. So I'm just...
Oh, like the layers, in between layers at the dough. Yeah. Oh, the black something we see them normally have in it.
Yeah. So this is butter, sugar, and cinnamon.
Okay.
And mixing. So the butter is just room temperature, that's why it's so soft. But Jamaica hot, so. Jamaican room temperature is different from American, England room temperature, right?
Okay, you're learning how to bake? You have to reach to the camera though. Boy, Kyrie, let it go. Jeez, the man's strong.
Is there anything else to do?
Yeah.
So, the door is poofing.
So you call it? Poof?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's rising.
Alright.
So while that's happening, I'm gonna set this down so that when I'm ready to do the final roll out, I just roll it out on the counter and put this in the middle, roll it up, put it in the oven.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
What? What?
Yep.
What's going on here?
Yeast is active.
Can't even smell it too.
Can you smell it, right?
Yeah, man.
This
I like
one.
to smell.
Yeah, it does. It does. It does.
So this is what I look for.
This is what I'm looking for. I mean, it poof. This is definitely what I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna do my intermediate stuff right now and get it all set up. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you already need him on the table?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it on the counter.
Oh.
So I'm just telling Adrian guys that the yeast that I had before, it wouldn't have given me this result. Yeast I had before was just weak, it tastes funny, and I don't know what kind of yeast that they must have in the supermarket. But
yeah, this better.
finally got what I wanted and I'm getting the results I want. So yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Baking thing time consuming, you know, man. If you have patience with baking, you know.
True.
Come like a chemistry I do.
But the
and
results are awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to do it for the results.
True, true.
That's weird.
So you smoke what you eat.
Like the alpha rockers.
Lord God, she never win nothing yet, you know.
You know we not yet.
Never win nothing yet of significance and hype. So guys, we just see a video a while ago, Elena do an interview and thing, and after I say, boy, American girl is special, no, nice star.
So you could have really just do your world record and everything, and then you go appreciate. Wanna appreciate. So won't even come up in my cabinet.
Jesus.
So won't even come. So won't even be a second thought. Let alone. You have to look upon people who are actually your genuine competitors like Shelly and Jackson.
Yeah, and actually world record she runs. It's the second fastest time in history. But in my mind, it's a world record because the fastest time lady dead probably about 34 years old.
Yeah, and then there's so much
she's a drug cheat
and PR, you know, abilities.
Yeah, the Florence Joyner, Flo Joe, them call her. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why look at she mad out here, man. Look at our mental states, you know?
That's alright.
Look at she have to go and watch she because she has smoked too much weed and the weed there, but she has smoked, look I say touch. Like see how we touch.
Jesus, please. It's season.
Season weed, that they call it for true. And them say, when they put one lizard tail?
Lizard tail, yeah.
That's so stupid though. What purpose lizard tail would I have to do?
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Them say when they put lizard tail, so look at somebody who a get fear weed that put lizard tail night. Yeah, she has smoked too much of that.
So now you try to get out the excess moisture out of the dough. You want it more dry.
Yeah, when you need it, the more you need it, then you want to get that elasticity into it, you know. Okay. And ultimately you want it to stop sticking, which it is. You want it to stop sticking to the surface. Okay. Ultimately. So yeah.
Alright. Cool.
Oh my god.
So you roll out the thing now.
Guys, I not have the rolling pin yet.
You're shame in your game.
Yeah.
You roll it where you improvise, I'm telling you.
Yeah, improvising.
So you roll it out to the glass. I want so she pour that glass to you know guys, make sure it's not sticky enough. Make sure it's dry. She put on the we call the flour pan, you know. Make sure it's you know, professional pastry chef. You know, a lot down here.
Yeah.
And guys, I say a peer rainfall today, you know, man.
Yeah.
But you walk up on the road and it never work out because peer rain.
Well, no, I never know basically. Hey, the government mean business, you know. The police, they are police and them truck. You know the truck and them put you up in there if you go up on the road.
And some bad man, they go look for, go put up in a truck.
The police them they out with them truck.
Then go hard about the COVID thing, and if you go equal as hard with the crime and violence. But I not about the police them because the directive don't work off us still. You know? So babe, when your first time I say I do this? I do cinnamon roll, right?
Yeah.
Hey, why? You do other things, but the first time I say I do this.
Well, I don't know.
Look like you know where I do, and then you gotta roll it up and then cut it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you play, man. I see you play. I saw them get the layer here. When they have the cinnamon roll, they have that nice sugary cinnamon layer here.
Yeah.
Right? I see what them get it now, cause I need know before, man.
Yeah. You can put other stuff in this too, like raisins. I love the ones that have raisins.
Yeah.
But I was thinking of putting some chocolate chips in the middle. What do you think?
Chocolate chip. You want that?
Yeah.
Alright.
If Jaden was off, I would ask.
Jaden knock out, guys.
Jaden very much like these things, you know.
Yeah. The two of them knock out.
If Jaden didn't know say them things, I would have gone. He would have tried and keep up.
Zing. So you just bake it, roll up same way.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh. All the sugary goodness inside. So when it gets squished, so when the bake it come back up together,
I'm gonna put it in this and then it's gonna poof again.
Oh, cool. Alright. Yeah, you know what I said too regarding the Sha'Carri response post race. We should come out and a chat and a go along so far after the race, like people that argue with her. It wasn't even a situation like say a 2-3 days or a week after the race and she has see all people chat all kind of shit and she come and I try to defend herself.
But
it wasn't like that.
People are go be like, girl, you've been talking so much ish and that you gonna do? You really gonna come last in the race, girl?
Jeez. But it's crazy, like immediately after the race, the girl come and attack all the kind of something about she had the 6 fastest of all time and this and that. Girl, you should have an opportunity just a while ago to do it all on the track. And you refuse, and after the race now you come with all of your verbiage. Like, why? But I mean, tell you, that make no sense. But yeah, guys, see the cinnamon roll them now, right? Them set up for the baking. So you don't want to put like egg wash around them or nothing.
Yeah, but we're not gonna bake it now.
So you're gonna
put it in the fridge. And in the morning, we wrap it. In the morning,
wrap
take it out and put it in the oven.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Cool.
Yeah. So it's gonna get all poofed up and it's supposed to cover up all of it. So let's see.
Alright.
Hey
guys, what's up? Yeah man, so another day, isn't it? So Cass actually came out last night because the plan originally was to leave the door, you know, overnight. But Kyrie have her up all night. He sleep a lot yesterday. Yeah, he must say hey. Say hey again. Say hello again, Kyrie. Here you go. Yeah. So Kyrie sleep all day yesterday and then now him have up with mother. So 3 o'clock last night, him not sleep and something. So she said, it's alright, man, I'm going and bake. So she just baked the thing them last night. So me wake up this morning, I never know all I want go on. But wake up this morning and see them here. You know, so and Jaden, I gotta test it out. It look nice. I like how them look, man. Them come out nice. They come out really nice. Ooh, sorry. And a couple more left up here so too. See them there? See them there, guys? Them look nice. So we'll try it for the first time. Yeah, so that piece was for me and you know, man, poke everything in our mouth. But they want to cut that in that two, because we know that piece is too big for you. Watch your mouth. How is it? How is it? How it tastes? It tastes good? Anyway, see Kai there. Say hi. Kai grow out him little bouncer thing yes already, you know, guys. He mean too much in a lay down position, so I get a high chair for him. Because him about ready now for sit up and thing. Fully on him own. He might do it partially, but he need support, so we'll get a high chair for him. Yeah guys, so my turn now. Whoosh! It's well moist, man. It's so moist. I see the cinnamon, that cinnamon thing that we should put in between. I eat that, you know. It's so good. What do you think, Jay?
I like it.
I like it. Nice, man. A nice bud. So Cass is in bed now. She don't wake up yet. I kind of, you know, that early, about 8 o'clock now. I watch Manchester United game right now. See the cable for me now, Jay? Nice. Go on 3 or 3. Use the next remote and switch to 3 or 3. Nice, man. Yeah, so Southampton and Manchester United about to start. Well, it's too nice, bad guys, I swear. I'm sorry, I can't get some. So Kyrie, I've been mother up all night. Him sleep a lot yesterday and the day, and he not sleep much last night. To be honest, guys, I never know where I go. I never know when him wake up. She tell me, saying did up and she bake and all them something. I never know. So yeah, I'm have her up all night. Nah, she knock out right now and him wake up good. Watch him.